Hey, how's it going? I continue to work on this thing, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. I just got back from California, so I haven't really spent time on it in like 2 weeks. But I should have filmed this earlier. I took the whole side casing off, all right here. There's an oil leak, and I found out why. It's because the gasket's broken over here. And let's see. Took the whole clutch assembly off with all the plates, and now I'm just gonna record this to basically show you guys what's wrong, because this thing won't shift. My bike won't shift at all. So yeah, that's fun. So I have to go in here and take this off. So right behind it is this little spring. It's like this is responsible for your shifting action back and forth. So when you hit the pedal for shifting, it'll click and then come back up to neutral. Well, it doesn't actually, it just wiggles around. And this just has the clutch plates, so it's free spinning, right? So this will actually spin the wheel. Tiny pliers, man. All right, there we go. So there's that one. And I guess I could slip all of this off now, right? Alright, I'm going to try to move as least amount as possible on these pieces. I can see it from here. That spring is busted up. This thing right here, see this wobbling around? That's what I need to replace. Okay, when you hit the pedal, right, it'll go one way, or it'll go the other. I'm pretty sure it's all the way down first, but I'll hit the pedal and I'll show you what happens. Okay, so this is up, right? And then it goes like that, back to neutral. So this is up, right? Downshift, down, down. So I take this off on the bottom here. Looks like this has already been messed with a bit. Holy shit. Wow. I'm like almost pushing the bike over trying to get this thing off of here. Oh my god. This strip's so easy. What the hell, man? This is not cool. So I know this shouldn't go into your oil, but might as well give it a try. Should break this loose. Guess we'll see. I'm so close. What the hell? I'm so close to not having a screw on here, it's not even funny. I'm just so tempted to drill these out. Ah, fuck, I just broke it. Yeah. It's probably been like all the winters and summers that this thing's been around. It's like 40 years old. So, remember how I couldn't get those 2 screws off that were right here? So I welded this socket to them. One I didn't need, and basically I just welded it to it and finally got it out, because this thing single-handedly broke one of my extractors. This screw did. So I drilled into the screws, you know, like decently far in there, and yeah, the extractor wasn't working, the drill wasn't holding, so I was like, screw it, I'm gonna have to weld this and take it out like that. So now this is out. Alright, this should just kind of pull off. This is a shifting mechanism here, and it should just go right around this thing, pull off here, and I'm just waiting for something to fall apart here. I guess we're gonna find out. Yep. So once you take the shifter off the other side, you don't have a problem. You just keep pulling on this thing. just go all the way through. There we go. Okay, so this is the whole shifter mechanism. I want to be very careful not to lose that spring. And this is the one part I have to replace. And what's even scarier is that this is missing. This is just snapped off and gone. So I'm a little concerned. That's somewhere in my engine here. Well, I don't know. I have the replacement right here though. And I guess I'll just slide this right on there. Okay, exact match. Awesome. So this was like this, and then, yep. Okay, so it goes like this, right? Maybe. Probably should have paid attention to how that fit on there. So this goes through. Okay, now the spring should go like around these two. I haven't like read anything about this or did a tutorial video or anything, so I guess we're gonna see how this works. I'm guessing they go around this, right? Probably should have watched the tutorial. Hope that thing's not done. Right. Now if I shift, let's see what happens. Cool, so I can feel it working like really nicely. Oh, this is awesome. The only thing I'm like really concerned about is I guarantee that that broken piece of that spring is in the bottom of my engine somewhere. And you can see probably, you know, through all these holes here, there's like two more over there. It definitely slipped behind there. And I have no clue when that would have happened. Maybe they were riding the bike and it slipped in during that time. But looks like I'm taking the bottom of the engine off to find it. And now I have to get new screws. So looks like I'm going to Home Depot for these.